Okay, this is part 2 of the video because there was an announcement in the last one and I didn't want it to interrupt. So I'm going to show you guys a trick, okay? I know that you start at this number and go back to 10 and you put that there, okay? So like if we start at 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we put a 4 there. And then we go back the other 2 and put a 2 there, okay? So then we have 10 minus 2, which is 8. So much easier if you just say, you just take this number in the ones place and stick it down here, okay? That's all you do. Look at this one, ones place. They just put it down here. This one will be the same way, ones place. Number in the ones place, and take it there and circle it. So this makes a 10. You just drop this other number down. Okay, 5. 5 and 2 makes 7. Drop that 2 down. 3 and 4 makes 7. Drop that 4 down. Okay, and then you're ready to solve. So we know 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, 12 minus 5 is 7. And I know some of you will just know that 12 minus 5 is 7, but they want you to show your work. They want you to show this strategy, okay? 10 minus 5, we know, is 5. That's one of your doubles facts. 10 minus 2, 8. Therefore, 15 minus 7 is 8. 12 minus 4, 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, pause this if you need to catch up. If not, we are moving on to page 201. Okay, you can use the number line. So you can start at 13 and go back 10. 1, 2, 3. So you put a 3 here. Then you have to go back 2 because 3 and 2 will give us 5. 1, 2. So our answer is 8. And we add that 2 there. Okay, so that's the way you can do it if that makes sense to you. Or you can just make these numbers match and know that 15 minus 5 is 10, because when I have 15, 5, I get 10, and 5, and what other number is going to give me 6? It's 1, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, 15 minus 6 is 9. Pause this to do 7 and 8 on your own. Then when you're ready, come down here to do number 9. Chris has 15 stickers. He gave, Box gave, because that lets us know we're going to subtract because you're giving something away. Anne and Susie each, Box each, the same number, Box same number of stickers. Chris now has 7 stickers. How many stickers did he give each girl? Okay. So what we have to do first is 15 minus 7. Okay, we can make a 10. 5 and 2 makes 7. So we've got this here. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay, then we have to break up 8 evenly. So 4 and 4 is a doubles fact. It's the same, it's even. We have 4 over here and 4 over here. When we add them together, it's 8. So he gave the girls 4 stickers each because it asked for each. Don't let that confuse you. Okay, this was a 2-step problem. We had to do 2 different things. Actually 3. We had to figure out how many stickers he had given away first, total. Then we had to break that apart into the 2 different ones and tell how many. At the bottom it says Beth has a box of 16 crayons. She gives 3 crayons to Jake, box the word gives, and 7 crayons to Wendy. How many crayons does Beth have now? So first we need to do, I would add 7 and a 3 first because we know that that makes a 10. So 7 plus 3 is going to give me 10. So let's subtract those. 16, because 16 is how many crayons she started with, and she gave 10 crayons away. So we know that 16 minus 10 will give us 6, because 10 and 6 is 16. Anytime you have a 10 and you're adding a single digit number, all you do is move that over to the tens place. So like 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 13. That's all you do, okay? The back side. You're going to write the number sentences that use both addition and subtraction. Use each choice only once. Okay, so this is kind of challenging. It wants both problems on each side of the equal sign to be true, to equal the same thing. So I know that 9 minus 2 equals 7 and 3 plus 4 equals 7. Therefore, 9 minus 2 is the same thing as 3 plus 4 because they both equal the same thing. We've got to use these some way. So I'm going to start off with 5 plus 4 just because I like those numbers. So 5 plus 4 is going to give me 9. So we need to find now a subtraction problem that equals 9. Okay, so we're not going to look at these addition problems anymore. We don't need those. Okay, let's try 14 minus 6. Let's pull a 4 out here and 2. So that is 10. 10 minus 2, well, that's going to give us 8. Okay, so can't be that one. 15 minus 6, let's try this one. Oops, I forgot to put my 5. And 5 and 1 makes 6, so this is 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Oh, we have it right there. So 15 minus 6. Because when you subtract those, you get 9. So we've already used that one. Let's scribble that out. And we already know that this is 8, so we can use that one. 14 minus 6, we found that answer already. It's going to give us 8. Where is our addition problem that's going to give us 8? 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4. Okay. Let me move that down there, which equals 8. Okay, and we're left with the last two, but we need to make sure that these are true. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, we have to use that one because that's all that's left. 10 minus 5. I know that that's a make a 10 already. We don't have to do that because we would just add 0 and it would still be 10 minus 5. It's already in a 10. So 10 minus 5, if we use our doubles fact, 5 and 5 makes 10. Pause this if you need to catch up. Then moving down to the bottom, does the number sentence have the same difference as 15 minus 7? Okay, so first we have to figure out what is 15 minus 7. 15, subtract 7, 5. So then it becomes 10 minus 7 and what other number, or 5 and what other number will give me 7? 5, 6, 7, 2. So our answer is 8. So we have to find another problem that equals 8. Well, 10 minus 6 is 4. So no. 10 minus 2 is 8. Yes. 10 minus 4 is 6. So no. Okay, go ahead and do your practice and your homework on your own, and then you will be finished for the day.